Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Apple font in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Apple Fonts Download. Open a trusted website and download your chosen font files. Once the download is complete, locate the files on your computer and extract them if they are in a zip folder. Now open Canva and select the text you want to change. Click on the font box at the top. A panel will open on the left side. In that panel, find the Upload a Font option and click on it. Then select the extracted font file from your computer and click Open. A confirmation message will appear. Click Confirm and Upload to continue. After the upload is complete, refresh the Canva page. Once the page reloads, go back to the font list and you will see the Apple font under Uploaded Fonts. Select it and apply it to your text. So that's basically how you can get Apple font in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.